So we just came up to the Hertz Gold members. They just said just come up, go over here and pick out, our vehicle, what we want. So this way.
Okay, I see my name.
So this is the one we got, Equinox. We at Hertz. Mom ended up getting the Tucson. Okay. Well, you got to go in there anyway.
Oh, okay.
You go crank it up?
I'm gonna run in here while y'all look at that.
Okay. Welcome to Billionaire Dreams. The life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
You hear what I'm talking about inside.
Pull up to the Westgate Villas. Look to my cadence. We got Starbucks. We're walking in the Westgate right here. Okay. Attraction desk, Bell staff. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? You got the concierge? Alright.
Make sure you gotta go down to tour registration.
Okay, so you want to start with him? Registration, hospitality service. Okay. It's always a little busy down here. Okay. Universal Planning Center. Elevators. Huh. Movie theater. Okay. Cool. All right, y'all, so we made it down here to Westgate in Kissimmee, Florida. And, I'm going to give y'all a resort review. I'm going to give y'all a room tour. It's been a minute since I've been in this place, so I forgot how it looked. And it actually looked pretty good. I can't lie. At least the front lobby anyway, but we're definitely going to give y'all the grounds tour and everything, give y'all the pros and cons and all that. It was a good 6 to 7 hours. We stopped a couple times. And, yeah, so coming from Georgia, get at y'all later. Let's go treadmill. Huh, not bad though. Oh, they got the treadmills for the outside or the elliptical. Maybe I'll do the elliptical. The outside, yeah, this is probably like a bed on. People outside in the pool, you can see the pool from the gym. Oh, Joe's pool bar over there. Cool. Pretty cool gym. Let's see how it goes. Oh, what's this other dirty towels? Alright. Well, that's all y'all get for right now. So this is mini golf right here. They over here playing miniature golf. Okay. That's where the dinosaurs come in at. It's what, a lock bridge. They got a bunch of locks all over the bridge on both sides. Okay. That's why I'm, get some more footage now. This is nice right here. How they got this. That's the Mexican restaurant right there. Alright, y'all, here we have Los Amigos. Oh, they got brunch. I ain't gonna lie, I thought his hands were moving. What we got going on? Like a kids' water park. You see a pool and stuff right there. We'll say that for another day though. You watching TV in that villa. Nice. I'm definitely gonna have a full tour coming out of this resort coming soon. Full tour, room tour, pros and cons, all that. It's just a nighttime view. I need to see what the daytime looking like. What's this little shack right here, this little hut? Is that a rabbit? Oh shoot, that's a rabbit. You have a tennis court and another lake right across from the check-in. I like this little fountain right here with the flowers and everything. It's pretty cool. Got the game room right here. Playing games, there's a lot of people out. Okay. Game room. Nice little seating area out here for people to sit down. Are we going this way?
We went to the gun range.
Interesting first thing.
Yeah, went to the gun range and then we went to go feed some cows. So the buttons, we're talking about now. Mystic fish, I believe, and
Okay. So we made it inside the building. This is the game room. Wow. Definitely family friendly. I gotta try this like this. Got restrooms over there. There's like a coffee bar right here.
I promise I'm not trying to get you guys in trouble.
Hey, I'm gonna peek, y'all. I don't know what's behind these curtains, but I'm gonna peek.
Is that what you're riding?
They go get on my ass.
okay, I would make her attitude smaller.
Smaller attitude?
Really.
I don't know what the hell they filming. I'm sorry.
I would say
Alright, so smaller attitude.
Alright, cool.
Larger empathy.
It's a vibe, bro. Okay. They got the fire pit. I see y'all. The lights on the trees down here. Okay, Westgate. Cool. And they got this place lit up. Okay. Westgate, I feel y'all. Okay, y'all see what y'all doing out here. Y'all got the whole vibe going on. Zoom in on the color ones over there. So right behind the I Love Westgate sign is a coffee bar. And you see right there has Starbucks. Or they serve Starbucks. That's a nice feature. Westgate Square. Or Town Square I should say. Or the park. Los Amigos Mexican Grill. Some art right here. Back up to the front where we were today. Okay. I like this right here. Let's go see what we got going on down here. Somewhere anyway. Definitely how they got. I definitely like how they got the rope lights across. Palm trees and everything. It's a vibe. Yup. Here's one of the lakes or ponds or whatever you want to call it right here. This is where they do the little paddleboat park thing over there because I see way down there. Alright, y'all, let's go this way. Is that a bridge? Let's go look at this bridge. Got like a tiki hut, chain vibe going on right here. Alright, cool. So this is the water park. This is Shipwreck Island. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. I got Lazy River. We're gonna try that before we leave. So we're gonna go all the way around. Of course, they got a couple of water slides up here, the red one and the blue one. They have stuff for kids right here. So you get the food and stuff at right there too. I ain't gonna lie, Shipwreck Island is fun. At least to me anyway. Ah, a bridge. Go across the bridge.